Industrial Alliance is proud to offer you Trend, a brand new life insurance product. Trend from Industrial Alliance is the pioneering gust of a new wind in life insurance. This innovative product allows you to benefit from rises in interest rates to save on life insurance that will last your whole lifetime. Let's look at how Trend ensures your financial security and can save you money along the way. First, your guaranteed maximum premium is calculated with your advisor based on your age and the amount of coverage you're looking for. Right away, you'll get a reduction on this premium to get you sailing in the right direction. This reduction will be applied for the first 10 years of the contract, so you're guaranteed to save for these 10 years. Starting at year 11 and every 5 years after that, your premium will be adjusted based on the Trend Index. A rise in the Trend Index could mean that your premium will go down. Then you'll be saving even more. That's right, Trend offers you guaranteed savings for your first 10 years of protection and potential savings down the road. By the same token, a decrease in the Trend Index could mean that your premium will go up. However, it will never exceed the guaranteed maximum in your contract. As mentioned before, this maximum premium amount is calculated and known from the start. For you, it's a guaranteed buffer to help protect your budget. That way, you'll always find yourself on solid ground. Contact an advisor today and let the power of Trend help carry you into the future. Trend. Simplicity, transparency, savings. Trend Life Insurance. Breathe.